It's the magic of math here, and today we're going to learn how to multiply variables with exponents to simplify an algebraic expression. Here's our question today. Which of the following is equivalent to this expression? Negative 5x multiplied by the quantity negative 6x squared, add 1. And we're given 4 answer choices to choose from to determine the equivalent expression. Here's where I'd like you to pause the video, do your best work, and then come back to see my work and my explanation. Good luck. Welcome back. We're going to begin by identifying the variables in this algebraic expression. We have the term negative 5x, the term negative 6x squared, and the term positive 1. To simplify, we would first, using order of operations, look to simplify inside the parentheses. Seeing as these are not like terms, we have a variable term and a constant term. That's in simplest form and we can't go any further. So now we're going to review and apply the distributive property to this expression to determine the equivalent expression. The distributive property states that we're going to multiply each term inside the parentheses by the factor outside the parentheses. So a quantity A multiplied by a quantity B plus C is equivalent to A multiplied by B, add the product A multiplied by C. So here's how this looks for this expression. We're going to take the factor outside the parentheses, negative 5x, and we're going to multiply it to the first term, negative 6x squared. That would be A times B, A times B. So that's negative 5x multiplied by negative 6x squared, and we're going to add the product of A multiplied to C, which is positive 1. So negative 5x multiplied by 1. So now we are ready to simplify and multiply these two terms. So to find the product of these two terms, we're multiplying two variable terms with variables that have different exponents. So let's review our properties. We have the product of powers property, which states to multiply powers with the same base, we add their exponents. So when we have the variables that have the same variable, x and x, we're going to take their exponents and we're going to add them to the same variable. So first we're going to multiply the coefficients. Negative 5 multiplied by negative 6 is positive 30. Here we need to understand to multiply these that this variable has an exponent of 1. X to the first multiplied by x squared, we add 1 plus 2 and get 3. So negative 5 times negative 6 is positive 30. X, add my exponents, 1 plus 2 is 3. So 30x cubed is the product of these two terms. Then our second set of terms to be multiplied, anything multiplied by 1 is itself. So this gives us negative 5x. Now I look at my answer choices and I can see that it's going to either be A or B, but it says subtract. So here we need to recognize that add negative 5x is the same as saying subtract 5x. So when we go to do this, we can say add the opposite. But add the opposite is the same as subtract. So 30x cubed subtract 5x is equivalent. So we are going to choose answer choice B to be our equivalent expression to this given expression. And there you have it. That's how to multiply variables with exponents. If they have the same base, you add their exponents. And that's the magic of math, where we continue to master math one video at a time. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you come back soon.